So far, from January to date, nakapagbili na po tayo ng 62% of our target, and we will be procuring for the remainder of the year 4 million bags of palay hanggang December. For the warehouses naman po, right now we are in deficit of more than 1.1 million bags of warehouse space. That's why we are looking at renting private warehouses that will cover the remainder of the year target. Sa ngayon po, we need at least 64 new warehouses for leasing. And as reported, ang atin pong stocks ngayon ay nasa 466,000 metric tons. Yun po ay inabalak natin na babawasan through the auction of our aging rice this month. Around 1.2 million bags will be auctioned off this month. So magkakaroon po tayo ng vacancies ng ating spaces if this auction is successful. So that will give us additional 2.4 million bags of additional space capacity for the National Food Authority. So far po yan po ang ating stock inventory level at yung difficulty ng ating ahensya in procuring more and more palay. But nonetheless, yun pong napoprocure namin as reported kanina na 9,651 metric tons. We're buying at 17 pesos per kilo of fresh palay and 23 pesos per kilo of dry palay. Yun po, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.